This is another basic Portuguese lesson, and today we're going to continue talking about pronunciation. More specifically about the consonants in Portuguese. And today we're going to focus on S and double S. What's the difference? Please pay attention to my pronunciation for these two words. Sapo, casa. Did you notice the difference? Let's first talk about the first case. Let's pronounce these words. Sapo, selo, sino, sopa, suco. What do these words have in common? They all start with the letter S, and the sound is S. Now, let's pronounce some more words in which we also use the letter S. Casa, crise, Brasil, vaso, presunto. What do they have in common now? In all examples below, the letter S is between vowels. So, for example, in casa, the letter S is between two A's. In the word vaso, we have A, S, O. So whenever you have the letter S between vowels, you will say Z and not S. Let's talk about the double S. What do the double S do? So the double S makes the S sound between vowels sound like an S. So let's pronounce these words. Pássaro, travesseiro, cassino, osso, travessuras. So again, we have the S sound because we have a double S between vowels. So let's now group by S sound. Previously, we talked about the cedilha, and here we're gonna also include this letter. So we have sa with SA, C cedilha A, SSA. Sapo, carroça, pássaro. Now with the vowel E, we would have SE, CE, SSE. Selo, cebola, travesseiro. Now let's talk about the letter E. SI, CI, SSI. Sino, cidade, cassino. And with the vowel O, SO, C cedilha O, SSO. Sopa, pescoço, osso. And lastly, SU, SU, C cedilha U, SSU. Suco, açúcar, travessuras. So in summary, whenever you have the letter S at the beginning of a word, you have the S sound, as in sapo. And whenever you have the letter S between vowels, the S sound will switch to Z. So we have casa. And whenever you have the double S, you will pronounce as S again. So it's pássaro. Sapo, casa, pássaro. I hope this is clear. And now, just to make sure you understood, please leave here down below in the comments the answer for this exercise here. You are going to group the words below within separate groups of sounds. So in the group 1, you will write down all the words that are pronounced as S. So in other words, you are going to use the double S words and also the words that have either an S in the beginning of the word or also a C cedilha, as we talked in a previous video. And in the group 2, you are going to write down the words that have a Z sound. So in other words, the words that have a letter S between vowels. Let me know here in the comments and I will correct your answer. All right? I hope this is clear. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I will see you in the next video. Bye!